Thanks to Kiefer at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to professional for this type of repair. However, this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we are replacing a set of front Complete Strut Assemblies on a 2007 Lexus ES350. This set fits the 2007 to 2009 Lexus ES350 from production date of 07-2009, the 2006 to 2007 Toyota Avalon to production date of 01-2006, the 2008 to 2012 Toyota Avalon, all models, and the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry with a V6 engine. We recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn-out struts. These Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE-grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium-grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high-quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality. Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 12mm socket, 17mm socket, 22mm socket, and a 14mm socket. You will also need a screwdriver, pliers or vice grips, and a hammer or mallet.
Here's your top 3 strut bolts, which we're not going to take out until we get it apart underneath. We have to take off this sway bar link, and these hoses and wires, and then we got to take off these 2 big lower nuts, bolts. Yeah, 12mm. Now leave these lines. We're not pulling on them. This looks like a 19. This is a 17. Sometimes these will come right out, and sometimes you have to grab the backside with pliers or vice grips. This one's gonna just spin, so you have to grab it. There, 22mm, top and bottom. And it's going to spin on the back, so you're going to need a pair of pliers or vice grips. Sometimes there's pressure on these and you'll have to tap them out with a hammer, but this one I can wiggle and pull. Just gotta be careful with a hammer you don't mess the threads up. take the top loose that we uncovered earlier. This is 14mm. Basically, you're just going to match them up, make sure that your sway bar link hole and your brake hose and your ABS wire holes are in the same spots. This one looks right. Get all them started, you can go ahead and snug them up. We gotta put our bolts back in the bottom that we took out. Bag up, push it up in there. You're gonna have to lift up and push in at the same time on this to get these holes lined back up the sides. Get his buddy over there. Get in here and tap that on. Alright, now put our nuts back on, tighten them up, since this is a non-adjustable strut. Don't forget to put your sway bar link back in. You may have to hold it again. Let's see. Yep. And our ABS and our brake hose. Match it. Snap that plastic back in. Once you get it started, then you can put a ratchet on it. That's it. Now you're ready to put your wheel back on.
Kiefer, will it need an alignment?
No, because it's a non-adjustable strut. The bolt holes in the bottom are not slotted, so the camber and caster is not movable. Always a good idea to double check them, but until he gets the rear done as well. That's it.
This concludes our front complete strut assembly installation on a 2007 Lexus ES350. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.